The new generation of fully automated portable molecule workstation, IPonatic, will open up a new era of molecular diagnostics. Top industrial design. Sunshore's distinctive concept. Only 7 kilograms. State-of-the-art SAN UI. HD Smart Touchscreen. Direct test results. Integrated rapid testing process. Sample in, result out. Test results available in as short as 8 minutes. Innovative wireless connection. Large smart display. Flowline operation modes. Flexible combination abilities. Samples can be tested anytime. Rich and extendable testing menu, meeting the testing demands of different pathogens. Applications include medical laboratories, emergency rooms, fever clinics, CDCs, airports and customs. The new generation of IPonatic, carrying the vision of gene technology for all, will be a remarkable milestone of Sunshore's internationalization. Sunshore Biotech, innovating diagnostics for all.